to McDonald's. I'm going to get the BTS meal. I'm super excited. So let's go and check what we have in the BTS meal.
We were under home isolation for the last 14 days as we were tested positive for COVID-19. We continued to isolate for 7 more days after getting negative report, and I'm coming out of my home building after 21 days. I feel so happy to step out and feel the fresh air.
So with this, you have drinks. You can choose any of your drinks, any Fanta, Coca-Cola, anything you want. And then this Borahe! I purple you! So now let's open this and check what is in the pack. Dun, 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 dun. So we have sweet chili sauce. Okay. Then we have ketchup. Then we have the Cajun sauce. Two tissues. Straw for the drink. Fries. We have fries. The fries. Then we have a tissue again, and then we have the nuggets, the 10-piece nuggets. So these two sauces are available now in UAE and other countries just because of BTS.
The creamy orange Cajun sauce just tastes like mustard mixed with mayonnaise. The sweet chili sauce just tastes like normal chili sauce they serve at McDonald's, but this time a little bit sweeter, and it is yummy. BTS Meal is available now in 50 countries. It will be available in UAE till June 28th. And make sure all the armies hurry up and check out the meal.